Hey guys, in this video I want to do the unboxing of the Pixel 7 Pro, and I will give also my first impression of this device. I ordered this device like few days ago. It's the Pixel 7 Pro. There is no version, the white variant, because I could get the Pixel Watch on top of it for 900 euros. So I just paid 900 euro, and this deal goes in Germany till 17th. So if you want to have this deal, you have still some few days left. I think some other European countries also have this kind of the deal that you pay 900 euro for Pixel 7 Pro plus the Pixel Watch. So let's start with unboxing of the Pixel 7 Pro. The model which I have here has 128 gigabytes of storage. In Germany you can get it till maximum 256 gigabytes, but in some other countries you can get it up to 512 gigabytes. I really like the feeling of this device. It's really glassy here. It's glass on the back. It has the aluminum bar here. It feels premium, and compared to the Pixel 3a, which was a budget device, you can feel that this is more premium. And I kinda a little bit afraid of this aluminum camera bar, which I think it will get some scratch, and that's my main concern about this device. Inside the box you get the USB-C to USB-C cable and one adapter from the USB-A to USB-C to transfer the data. And what else we have inside of the box? Of course we have the manual and also SIM tool to eject the SIM card, and that's it. That's really thick manual here, and that was it for this unboxing. It's really simple. So let's go back to our device. We don't need the manual, we don't need the cable, we don't need this adapter. All we need to know is this device here, how it feels in the hand, and my first impression of this device. So let's check the design difference with Pixel 6 Pro from last year. In the last model we have the black bar here, and my wife also has Pixel 6, and if I compare to them, this device is more like refined. If I get the Pixel 6 in the hand, it feels like a brick. There were not that much of like curves there. It didn't feel like a really well thought device. On the back, also in this black bar that you had in the Pixel 6, you could also see like that the camera array here was like just glued there. It didn't look like that it's component of the whole device here. But here, as you guys see, also there's a tiny scratch already on this camera right here on this aluminum tile, which I already said that's my main concern about this device, the scratches on this aluminum on the frame and also in the camera bar. I went with the white color here, or this snow color, let's say, because I find the black a little bit boring, and the hazel one, I liked the color of it, but I didn't like this chrome color on the frame. So I went with the standard white, which my Pixel 3a here and also my Pixel 4, which I'm making the video right now with it, all white. Actually, we have 4 Pixel devices at home and only one of them is black, and that's my wife's Pixel 6. I don't feel like the device is that much slippery. It is glass, of course, it's slippery, but because of this camera array on the back, your finger has somewhere to rest, so there's a resistance there, and that makes it not that much slippery. On the bottom you guys also see the speakers here and also the USB-C port. It also has a small white frame around it. I think it's really well thought. It looks really nice in the hand. It looks premium. I like the design of it. I hope that it will not get the scratches. As you guys see here, the tiny scratch here, or dent, let's say, is already there. I hope it will not get really bad in 1 year. We will see. And that's the SIM card tray here that you can put your SIM card. The SIM card ejector is already inside of the box. So let's turn off the device for the first time here. The screen is really good. Believe me, it's much better than what you guys see here on the video. I have them on both of them. I see it on the Pixel 4, the video that I'm taking, also in the real life. In real life, it's much better. In DxOMark, this display is already ranked as the second best display after the iPhone, and it really is a good display. We have a 6.7-inch Quad HD display here with a slightly curved corners, it's not like a 6 Pro. The curve is a little bit subtle here, and it has a refresh rate changing from 10 to 120 Hertz. Unfortunately, but the bezels are not even. It has a chin. I wish they followed what Nothing Phone did with their phone. I will now set up this device. I will fast forward this part that I don't want to bore you guys with this setup process. But now we can talk slightly about the specs and what's new on the Pixel 7 Pro, especially compared to the Pixel 6 Pro from the last year. Let's start from the front-facing camera here. It got slightly larger sensor. That makes it gets more light. So if you're in a dark room or bad lighting condition, the photos should be slightly better. The screen is also slightly get upgraded. It's now 25% more brighter. It reaches 1500 nits outside. Let's move to the back of the phone. We have the 3 cameras there. The main sensor is the same as last year. The ultra-wide sensor got upgraded. Now it has autofocus and it can capture micro photos, so you can really go close to objects. And the Tele camera also got upgraded. Now you can do 5 times optical zoom and 30 times software zoom that Google calls it super res zoom. Of course, the SoC is new. It uses now Tensor 2nd generation chip, which is slightly faster, but based on the reviews that I checked, it is better with the thermal and also battery usage, so it's more efficient, and when it gets warm the performance doesn't drop as much as before. Every phone, when it gets warm under heavy use, the performance drops slightly, and in comparison to the Pixel 6 Pro, it's Pixel 7 Pro, this drop is much less, so it is somehow closer to the high-end devices from the Samsung and Apple. I was checking so many YouTube reviews for this phone during the last days to get an idea of what I should expect and what are the positive and negative things about this device. Positive things, I can say that the camera is improved, the video quality is improved, the battery is improved, the modem that is inside is improved, the color reception is improved, and the screen brightness is improved. The fingerprint sensor is improved based on what I found from the YouTubers. Some of them were like it's the same, some of them were saying it's better. Based on my test here, I could say that it is quite fast. Of course, you cannot unlock it with just putting your finger on it. You just need to hold it a few seconds, then it works. Here I'll also do the face unlock here. Both of them works quite fast here. One more time, again back to the fingerprint scanner here. Again, I have to slightly press it. I cannot just touch it and move my finger, then it doesn't work. You have to slightly hold it there. So here I'm using both the face unlock and the fingerprint scanner. Both of them works quite good. Here I'm trying to do it really fast. It doesn't work, so you have to slightly hold it there. Actually, one of the reasons that I didn't buy the Pixel phone after the Pixel 4 was that none of the Pixels that was released during the past 3 years had the facial recognition. For me, Pixel 4 had this secure facial recognition, which I really enjoyed using it, so I was waiting for this face unlock here. It's not as secure as Pixel 4, but it is really convenient, which I'm really happy about. One of the accessories that I really enjoyed using with my Pixel 4 is this MagSafe from the Anker. On my Pixel 4, I can assure you guys, I'm taking a video with the Pixel 4. I put a ring on the back and I use the MagSafe here to connect it and wirelessly charge it. Here on the Pixel 7, it is slightly magnetic there, but it's not as strong there that I can rely on it. Otherwise, I will drop my phone if I want to hold it with this Anker MagSafe charger here. It charges, but it is a little bit loose, so I might need a case here with a MagSafe condition, because I really like this how lightweight this wireless charging is, especially when I'm outside and I don't have enough battery. So if I want to summarize my first impression of this device, I will say that the build quality is really good. The screen is really nice and vibrant. I like the whole feel of this device. I like the back of this device. I like that this camera bar also gives the resistance that you can hold the device without slipping out of your hand. My main concern is the scratches on this device, on the frame and the camera bar. The cameras are really good based on the DxO Mark. It is the best camera setup that you can buy right now. I will do an extensive review of this device with all the aspects. I will go into the details here, especially with the charging speed, how it's in the live, how much battery it holds through the day, how much screen time you get from this device, and how the performance is generally. As you guys see also with the Pixel 3a, the thickness is slightly thicker, but you don't realize that. It's a well-built device. That's for me my final thought for now, and I will do the full review, so stay tuned for that. I will also do the unboxing of the Pixel Watch, which I also have here. So catch you guys in the next one.